Another 2 to 3 weeks, so Malaysia surfing season is starting again. So this is what I normally will do to increase the flexibilities of the body. Yeah. Hey, I do only 10 times per action, so you can increase it to 20 times, 30 times, 40 times, 50 times, up to you, as long as you are comfortable with it. Okay. And start slowly. Slow is better than fast because you can feel the extension of the muscle. Not like, you want to do fast and then you just do and then get this thing done. No, as slow as possible. Especially have to combine together with breathing, because when you breathe in, you actually expand the muscle. That's how you increase the flexibilities of your muscle. Yeah. Okay. So the first one will be upper back. Remember, when you do this, increase. Okay. When you do this, breathe in. Why? Your focus should be here, because if you can't bend your upper back, this is not the biggest problem. The biggest problem is here, it's tight here. So what you want is to extend and expand this part of the muscle. So breathe in, up, breathe out, up. I do 10 times. Okay, and don't go up. Look in front and go in front. Okay, here. Hand, if you don't touch, it's better, of course, if you can. If you cannot, then put down, up, then put down. If you can, okay, stay mid-air. And the rest of the body, relax. Okay, so do 10 times, focus here. And then after that, hand. Sometimes when we paddle, it's so tiring, it's because you are fighting against your muscle. Lifting up is so tiring. Why? Because this is shortened. Okay, how to lengthen the muscle over here? Just focus and do this. Breathe in. While doing this, you can relax, no problem. Okay, and then focus on here, the extension. Okay, both arms together, yeah. The rest of the body, relax. Okay, and after that, up. Okay, remember every time when you do the push-up, hand next to the chest and then the elbow inside and up. Okay, then you start to do this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then change the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after that, here. So after you do this, you find that it's easier for you to do this, to put your leg in between your hand. Okay, so once you can do this, and down, 1, 2, 3, as slow as you can go. 4, 5, do it slow, yeah. 6. I'm recording video sometimes, it could be a bit rushed, but then you feel them. Okay, then after that, do the other part. So why do you want to do the other part? So that it's not too stiff and then injure your muscle. 2, 3, 4, go as low as you can. 5. Okay, then after that, you go to the knee. 1, you can put your hand on the knee first before you get strong, and push in, yeah, in. Pushing can protect your knee, not out. Okay, out is another type of training. Push it down, push it down, push it down, push it down. So I'll do 10 times, and you can do more. Then after that, we standing small. Make your stand a bit smaller. To the back, to the front, to the back, to the front, to the back, to the front. You can also add the swing. Okay, to the front, to the back, to the front. If you want to lift up, then you could. Okay, when you do that, feel the change of the weight of your leg, yeah? See? Your weight. So same, when you swing, feel it. And always remember to do both sides. Not all the way, yeah? We don't surf like this, okay? Basically, you can put your body in front. That's where you want your flexibility. Okay? You can feel here, the extension, here, the extension. And same when you swing. So breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And you found that the mobility will increase and everything will be much more flexible. Okay, so you repeat this one for 2-3 weeks. I think you will see a very obvious result, or you can tell me how is the result. And you can increase the proximity, the frequency. Now I do 10, you can do 20, 30, 50, as much as you like, but you don't do too fast. Because when you do too fast, sometimes the joint is scratching each other, and it's not a good thing. Okay, but when you do so, they won't scratch much, and then increase the muscle around the joint. Remember, flexibility is about how far your joints staying apart from each other, and how strong is the muscle that's holding them. That is to increase the stability. Okay, enjoy your surfing. Thank you.